Morning, Mark here from Mac Hatter AI. Today we're going to be looking at the new Stable Diffusion XL 1.0, just released on Nightcafe Studio. We're just going to go through it, have a quick look how to set it up, see if it's any different. I'm going to use some old prompts from some prompts I've done in the past. I've already done a couple. Some of these are all kind of Stable Diffusion. Let's have a look and see what we've got. So we'll go in and we'll select the new Stable Diffusion 1.0 and we'll go into the advanced prompt, and I shall go and find some prompts that I can use from my plethora of old prompts. We'll try some weird ones, like let's try this one. Let's have a look. Art by Tim Burton and Pixar, tartan hat with the Mad Hatter. That's a weird sentence. Let's try and fix this sentence here. The Mad Hatter with a tartan hat. Better spell Mad Hatter properly as well. Right, childish features, happy man, depth of field, intricate. Right, it's a nice. Let's see how much 6. So it's 16. It's cheaper than 0.9. No, I've done it in square as well. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so the results are excellent, I would say. They are very portrait based. As just a square, and I guess that's what we want. We've got the huge big grin, we've got the childish features. It looks like a happy man. There's intricate detail. You know, look at the detail on that. Look at the hair. Yeah, that's pretty spectacular. So yeah, they've came on leaps and bounds again by the looks of things. Right, let's try something else. SDXL 1. 24-hour life cycle of a human cell, art by Minoru Furuya. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. We'll put 16 up again. Go for it, see what happens. It did take a while. It took a couple of minutes there to do all 16 of those images. So here we go again, pretty spectacular. Look at the detail. The detail's incredible. Now, yeah, it's, you know, of course the text isn't legible, but look at that. It's really gone to town with that. Right, let's find something else that we can look at. Yeah, this one should be fun. Let's have a look at this prompt. A horse, a cow and a dog in a field of poppies. Intricate details, 35mm camera wide angle shot. Landscape. So let's put that on landscape. Let's bump this up this time, see what difference it makes. Okay, and we're off. Okay, so here's the output. So we asked for a horse, a cow, and a dog. We seem to have it in some of them. That's a dog, I guess, but it's a bit messed up. We've got a horse with two arses. I don't know what that is. A horse and a cow. That could well be a cow horse as well. Yeah, that's not bad, except there's no dog. That's just the horse, and yeah. Well, yeah, so it didn't really get this one that right. It got a bit confused. The SDXL 0.9 done better. Now that's a good one. So there's dogs, horse and cow. So maybe it didn't do better. That's round about as good as the results were on 0.9. But it does seem to be a bit confused. I see there. That's kind of a dog cow, but it looks more like a dog, horse, cow. Not bad. Not bad. Let's have a look at this one. Smiley faces, powder paint, colour scheme, dripping paint, LSD acid house. So let's see what it comes up with this one. So here's the results, much the same as the first ones, maybe a bit crisper and a bit cleaner, really. But it did take 5 minutes for the results to come. So let's just do another couple. I'll try and get some that are a bit different. This one is when I was doing some stuff to try and get colouring book stuff. So an alien landscape. Let's see if I can spell it right. An alien landscape drawn for children's colouring book, specific contours, drawn with thick black lines on a white background. Intricate detail, scenery, landscape, masterpiece. Let's see what we get with that. Hopefully it'll look like a colouring book page. So here we go, they're pretty good. They look like they could be definitely colouring in pages. Yeah, definitely, 100%. Yeah, they're pretty wicked. Very, very cool. Okay, let's get another one. So this one is a bit more abstract. So it's a face, a star and a planet. A face, a star, a planet, the sea. It's actually a famous painting, but I just want to see what this comes up with for this one. So we've got some awesome results with that. That's far better. It's not far better than the ones that we're getting. It's just different. And I love that aesthetic. You know, that's something I would use for sure for my own images. Oh. Yeah, love it. Okay, let's see what else we can do. A psychedelic trance music producer messing with digital and analog synthesizers, powder paint, dripping wet. Let's see what we get from that one. So these ones are pretty cool. Definitely better than SDXL 09, I would say. The composition's better. Strange how his fingers are dripping, but I guess it's the dripping wet paint. It's wicked. But the synthesizers and the tools look awesome. Yeah, these are pretty good. Pretty good. That's a cracker. Not sure what the water. I guess it's probably got something to do with the dripping paint. Yeah, very good. The hands are pretty good. Not sure what's going on there. That's a good one. That's brilliant. The keyboard's perfect almost. Almost. That's a good one. Yeah, looking good. Looking very good. So let's find something a bit different this time. We'll go with this prompt. Oh. I'm going to do something different this time. So let's say artificial intelligence, neural pathways as a life form human interaction. What I'm going to do is, oh no, it's in here. So we go add another prompt. Oh, delete that one. Browse modifiers and go down to negative prompt. So bad anatomy, blurred or blurry. I hate how that happens. This pops up and I can't see everything. So disfigured, deformed, extra limbs, poorly drawn face, poorly drawn feet, poorly drawn hands. I'm just going to take a picture of this and ask if we can get it removed. Okay, let's have a look. What else have we got? Watermark. Is there a signature one? Okay, that will do. So let's see what happens when we leave it like that. We'll put it onto... No, I'm going to put it onto portrait. See if I can force it into a portrait. Leave that. Let's see what we get. hopefully something pretty cool. Yeah, these are pretty spectacular, pretty cool. They're not as alien-y as I thought they were going to be. The other ones were more kind of neon coloured. That's a cracker. That's a beauty. But they are good. Very alien-like. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, we're going to do one more and then that's it. And this one is going to be more of a motion-based one, because you often get different kind of results with that. So feeling like you're alone, misunderstood, and always struggling with complex emotional disturbances through dripping rainbow coloured paint. Right, let's see what that gives us. Should be interesting. I like doing these emotional ones because you never know what it's going to come up with. It just, it just takes a pot shot, I think. It just uses all the words complex, emotional. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what we get. Okay, these are pretty cool as well. Quite disturbing, some of them. But I love playing with dark emotions and bright colours. It really does. That's a bit freaky. That's a great one. That's superb. But yeah, I do love messing around with these. That is amazing. Yeah, that's SDXL 1, taking it to a different level altogether there. Look at the face and everything. The composition's brilliant. A bit weird there, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, so these are awesome. But yeah, so SDXL 1.0, yeah, thumbs up for that. Definitely well worth the credits, and it's cheap. One credit for one picture. That's awesome. So yeah, hope you got something out of this. I recommend it. Sadly, it's only for pro accounts, but if you're serious about this stuff, it'd be worthwhile getting a pro account anyway. But yeah, awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.